Dear citizens, as we all are aware that for our district, general election to the 18th Lok Sabha will be held on 26th April 2024. Timing would be 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Therefore, I would urge and appeal to each and every electors, please spare a moment, pay visit to your nearest polling station and use your constitutional right and extend your contribution in nation building process. Today it is also pertinent to mention here that now, as per the direction of Honorable Commission, EPIC, elector's photo identity card is not anymore stand-alone identification document for voting. Other alternate documents may be used for voting such as Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, passport, MGNREGS job card, smart health card, passbook with photograph issued from the either bank or post office, pension document with photographs, official ID card issued by either Honorable MP or MLA, and a service identity card issued from Government of India, state government and TCUs. I would also highlight here, as per the desire of Honorable Commission, to make this election accessible, inclusive and participative, we have already provided postal ballot facilities to the eligible category of voters such as voters in the age group of 85 and above and PWD voters Divyangjan with set benchmark as set by the Election Commission of India. For them, already two round of visit has been paid to their home so that they can be facilitated for their vote. Also, those voters in such categories who cannot vote during these two visits, but still they have an option, they can pay visit on the day of poll to the nearest polling station and they can cast their vote. For them also, as per the direction of Honorable Commission, there would be wheelchair facilities, there would be booth assistant facilities, and also there would be some of the volunteers who will be facilitating them so that they should not feel any kind of inconvenience while visiting and casting their vote. Now, as per Section 4 of the Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Prohibition and Regulation Act 2003, in short, Code Part 2003, all the public places, including polling stations, have been declared as a no smoking and tobacco free zone. So therefore, I would request all the electors, please refrain from any kind of a violation of any as such instructions and directions and rules which may invite legal action. Today, I would also mention that all the voters, please be vigilant, be responsible. If any person they are putting any undue influence, if anyone is taking bribe, if anyone is giving bribe, if anyone is giving threat, please report to us through 1950. I repeat 1950, or through complaint monitoring cell or through the C Vigil app, because such kind of practices are illegal and unethical, and these are the offences for which, under the Representation of People Act 1951, Conduct of Election Rule 1961 and Indian Penal Code as well, there are punishment with imprisonment and fine as well. I would also urge to all the electors of our district, all the political parties, please extend cooperation for the smooth and peaceful conduct of election. Last but not the least, I would urge and appeal to all the voters, please be firm for the ethical and informed voting. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.